Are you tired of chasing your dreams without seeing results? Have you tried every manifestation technique out there with no luck? Well, what if I told you there's a secret prayer that can unlock the door to your deepest desires? Introducing the game-changing prayer by Joe Vitale that's shaking up the world of manifestation. In this video, you'll discover the power of this secret prayer and how it can transform your life beyond your wildest dreams. Stay tuned to find out how you can finally achieve what you want. It's time to unleash the magic of manifestation with Joe Vitale's secret prayer. Do you ever find yourself lying awake at night, wondering why your biggest dreams seem so far out of reach? You've tried every manifestation technique in the book, visualizations, vision boards, positive affirmations, but that breakthrough moment remains elusive. But what if I told you there's a secret, life-altering method right within your grasp? A prayer so powerful, it has helped ordinary people manifest extraordinary financial windfalls, perfect health, and profound fulfillment. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, hold on to your seats because this hidden treasure from Dr. Joe Vitale's renowned book, The Secret Prayer, is about to shake up your world. This isn't just another self-help gimmick. It's a spiritual roadmap for tangible miracles. So get ready because lives are about to be transformed. Imagine this. You're an average, hardworking couple dealing with the usual financial pressures, bills, mortgages, college funds. The constant strain weighs heavily on you. Then, out of nowhere, a stroke of luck. You check the lottery numbers and realize you've hit the jackpot, becoming multimillionaires overnight. But here's the kicker. This life-changing windfall came just 28 days after discovering and faithfully reciting the mysterious prosperity prayer. It might sound like a far-fetched tale, something you dismiss as urban legend or a publicity stunt. But for a California couple in the early 2000s, hitting a $25 million jackpot after practicing a specific 28-day manifestation prayer was a genuine reality. Their story, documented in Science of Mind magazine, sent shockwaves around the world. Suddenly, everyone was eager to get their hands on the words of this profound cosmic order, sparking a frenzy of prosperity and abundance manifestation. This concise yet remarkably potent prayer became known as the 28-day prayer for prosperity. Despite its ancient mystical roots, it was revolutionizing the modern self-help landscape as one of the most remarkably effective tools for summoning the universe's limitless wealth. At its core, the prayer acknowledges a simple truth. Within each of us lies an infinite wellspring of abundance, love, and provision. The challenges we face, whether financial, physical, or emotional, stem from forgetting or disconnecting from this divine truth of our inherently prosperous nature. The essence of the 28-day prayer for prosperity is refreshingly simple. It recognizes that there's an infinite source of abundance, love, and provision within each of us, a spiritual essence that's intimately connected with the divine creative force of the universe. All the scarcity, limitation, and hardship we encounter financially, physically, or emotionally are merely a result of forgetting or disconnecting from this truth of our divine nature and boundless birthright. Reciting this prayer daily for 28 consecutive days serves as a powerful psychospiritual reprogramming, a way to retrain your conscious and subconscious mind to resonate with and embody the vibration of wealth, health, and happiness at the highest level. Conscious desires and intentions alone aren't enough to create lasting change. True transformation occurs when your subconscious beliefs and vibration align with what you want to manifest. By repeating these potent words of the 28-day prosperity prayer each day for a sustained period, you're essentially installing new software of abundance into your mind and energetic frequency. Sorry for the interruption, but here's a game changer: the Billionaire Brainwave Program. Tired of waiting for your dreams to materialize? This tool taps into special brainwaves, accelerating your path to financial freedom. Learn more and access this life-changing tool in the first comment below. Now, on to the latest findings. As you turn this prayer into a felt experience, you begin operating from an unshakable belief in your unlimited nature. With faith and consistency, This prayer becomes a profoundly transformative process for removing any subconscious blocks, limiting beliefs, or energetic dissonance that keep you stuck in lack and limitation. Over 28 days, a pure, channeled resonance with the flow of universal prosperity becomes activated within you. At the heart of this manifestation phenomenon lies the remarkably simple yet powerful 28-day prayer for prosperity itself. I know that God is the source of all good, and that money is God in action. I know that my God is here and now. I am so rich and feel so prosperous that I have an abundance of money to spend and to share today and always. I know that true prosperity includes perfect health, perfect wealth, and perfect happiness. These words, affirmed with unwavering faith, form the crux of the 28-day prayer for prosperity, unlocking a realm of abundance previously thought unattainable. Now, let's activate the universal laws and accept the abundant results. Blessed am I, and blessed is all that I have today, along with every increase. I am prospering in every way. Giving thanks for this good. You might think that's all there is to it. But as they say, the simplest things often hold the deepest truths. By affirming, I know that God is the source of all good, and that money is God in action, you align yourself with the understanding that all wealth flows from the infinite spiritual intelligence and creative power often referred to as God. When you declare, I am so rich and prosperous that I have an abundance to spend and share today and always, you plant seeds of unshakable prosperity consciousness in your mind. True prosperity encompasses perfect health, wealth, and happiness, opening the floodgates for universal abundance to flow into every aspect of your life. This streamlined prayer serves as a potent incantation for rewiring your consciousness to that of a wealthy, radiant being. With unwavering faith, you affirm that all your desires are materializing now. At its core, the 28-day prosperity prayer is a tool for recognizing and harnessing the divine power within you as the source of all wealth, abundance, and prosperity. It's a ritualized practice that reminds you that you're not merely a limited physical being, but an infinite spiritual entity temporarily residing in human form. When you acknowledge and internalize the truth conveyed in this prayer, that a divine spark resides within you as the source of all wealth and goodness, you set in motion the laws of manifestation in profound ways. You become a conscious embodiment and resonate with the abundance you seek to attract into your life. By envisioning yourself as genuinely affluent, feeling the richness within, and asserting your entitlement to boundless prosperity as your spiritual birthright, you magnetize that reality into existence. As the prayer affirms, with faith, these words activate the universal laws, and I fully embrace the outcomes. It's not mere wishful thinking. It's a potent method of reprogramming your subconscious mind. From this state of vibrational alignment, scarcity and limitations fade away, leaving room only for abundance, resources, good health, and joy. When you acknowledge the divine essence within as the genuine source, rather than seeking external validation, you unlock the gateway to experiencing the limitless wealth of heaven on earth. While the theoretical foundations of using the 28-day prosperity prayer to cultivate an abundance mindset are intriguing, you might be wondering, does it really work in practice? The resounding answer is yes. Since its widespread dissemination in the early 2000s, following the viral success of the California lottery winner's story, countless individuals have put this sacred prayer to the test and witnessed life-altering transformations. The flood of testimonials from those who faithfully recited the prayer for 28 consecutive days is nothing short of remarkable. Their accounts range from unexpectedly manifesting substantial windfalls of tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars to enjoying material wealth, vibrant health, fulfilling relationships, creative expression, and more. Essentially, it serves as a spiritual tool for experiencing the heavenly abundance of earth in all its multi-dimensional glory. The sheer volume of positive real-life outcomes speaks volumes. When practiced with dedication, faith, and an open heart, The 28-day prayer for prosperity recalibrates you to your innate frequency of abundance, where all desires effortlessly materialize from the boundless realm of potentiality. As we come to the end of the video, here are some extra tips to supercharge your manifestation journey. 1. Practice gratitude daily to attract more abundance into your life. 2. Visualize your goals with vivid detail to manifest them faster. 3. Surround yourself with positive energy and like-minded individuals to amplify your intentions. Don't forget to subscribe for more transformative content and join our membership program for exclusive benefits. Let's delve into the world of brainwaves and unlock your full potential together.